One question I get all the time is, we're on the same page. Can't we just be divorced already? And honestly, I really wish the answer was a simple yes. Because every time I have to explain what's still required, it almost feels like I'm breaking somebody's spirit. You've done the hard part, you've come to an agreement, you've stayed on good terms, and now you just want to move on without making things messy or overly expensive. But the truth is, even the most amicable divorce still means filing 30 plus forms, meeting your state's waiting periods, or filing deadlines, and having to jump through several court hoops. Certain things like financial disclosures or formal service can be waived sometimes, but the actual legal process, it still has to be followed. That's why I usually say, let the spouse who's better with paperwork take the lead. Come on, one of you is the doer when it comes to this kind of stuff. The one who reads the fine print and keeps the checklist, that's your MVP. And if you're using Hello Divorce, I recommend choosing the DIY or the Pro plan. You upload everything just one time, and then we handle the court filing fees and the headache deadlines. We'll even loop in your spouse if you want us to, so you're both in the know, no cross wires, and no delays. We have lawyers, mediators, and financial advisors on standby and ready to help. So just say the word, let me know.